I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how to do send automation to be able to add an effect to just part of a voiceover. So this is a voiceover commercial.
30 days of pure Pro Tools power.
Say that I want to add effects to pure Pro Tools power.
Pure Pro Tools power
only, and I don't want to use Audio Suite because I want more control and I don't want to be destructive onto the file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an aux track. I'm going to go onto my, just add my sends here, and I'm going to create a distortion track. So I'm going to go to new track, create one called distortion. Oh, can't spell. There we go. Distortion. Okay, so here I am at pure Pro Tools Power. And so I've made my distortion track right here. And I'm just gonna add, I love the sans amp to add distortion to a vocal, and I'm just gonna tweak it however I want to tweak it, and I'm going to mute it. And yes, I'm gonna mute it because I'm gonna set this as a mute send. And so what I'm gonna do is it'll be muted for the entire time, except for the part that says pure Pro Tools power, which is what I want. But what I can do is I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna go to right here. I can see my distortion track, the same one, and then I'm gonna go to mute, and what that is gonna do is gonna take me to this area here where I can see that everything is muted, and I'm gonna unmute just the one part that I want, where I want to hear the distortion. So I'm just going to play that out.
30 days of pure Pro Tools power brought to you by your...
So as you can see, I haven't tweaked it enough to where I can really hear the difference, but let's crank it up just so that you can see. It's going to sound crazy, but this is what
30 days of pure Pro Tools power.
As you can see, that effectively my mouse is being super loud. It's ridiculous. But this is just a really cool trick to use your send automation.